Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Renita. Let's make Kerala style beef masala. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference. So let's get started. Add some green chilies, finely chopped ginger and garlic, finely chopped onions, some curry leaves in your cooking pot. Now add Kerala beef masala powder. I made this beef masala powder myself. If you want to know how I made it, click the card above and watch full video. To this, add thoroughly washed and evenly cut beef pieces. Add some salt and water. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and cook it on a medium flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. Usually beef and mutton takes time to cook. If you are using a pressure cooker, make sure that it is well cooked. If you are using a pot, keep checking in between and make sure that the meat is completely soft and tender. And don't let the meat dry until it's cooked through. Add additional water if needed if the meat hasn't cooked completely. Just make sure that you don't add excess water because this is a dry recipe. Once it's done, turn off the flame. Let's do the tempering now. In another pan, add some oil. Once the oil is heated, add finely chopped onions. Let the onions turn slight brown and to this add slit green chilies, dried coconut pieces or desiccated coconut. You can also add fresh coconut, just make sure that you fried it well. Also add some red chili powder for flavor and mix and fry entire thing thoroughly. At last add this aromatic tempering to your cooked meat. Give it a mix and your Kerala style beef masala is ready to serve. You can serve this dish as an appetizer or a side dish. I hope you found this recipe useful and you will try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.